Hello there everyone. In this video we're going to be doing a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the iPhone X. Welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright guys, let's go right to the video now. Alright everyone, so here we have them. We have the Samsung Galaxy S9 on the left here and the iPhone X on the right. So keep in mind that this Samsung is the first phone to have the Snapdragon 845, Qualcomm's newest processor and fastest processor out of the moment. So I'm really excited to see what happens here. Let's see how it stands against Apple's A11 Bionic chip. And also remember that the Samsung Galaxy S9 has 4 GB of memory RAM, while the iPhone X only has 3 GB of RAM. Alright, so we're going to start off with a boot test. Let's power on the devices in 3, 2, 1. So the Samsung Galaxy S9 there, showing the logo first, and then the Apple iPhone X. And the iPhone X did boot up first. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening all of these apps up one by one on both devices to see which one boots them up the fastest. And then we're going to do some social media apps and a geekbench test at the end. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off with Mario Run. Looks like the S9 is ahead there, and yes it is. It loaded up faster. Let's go ahead to Angry Birds 2. So looks like the Galaxy S9 there is ahead just by a little bit. Moving on to Asphalt 8. And the S9 wins that one by a little bit as well. Temple Run 2. And the iPhone X won that one just by a little bit. Let's go ahead to Subway Surf. So the iPhone X ahead on that one as well. Next up. Let's go to Clash Royale. And I believe the S9 won that one. Crossy Road. The S9 definitely ahead there. It already opened it up, and the iPhone X right after. Let's go ahead and do some other apps now. Let's go to Amazon. Okay, so this one brought me to a different screen, but they loaded up almost at the same time. Let's check out Pandora. And the S9 won that one as well. To check out Instagram. The S9 won that one as well. Facebook. iPhone X on that one, just by a little bit. Let's go to Netflix. The iPhone X won that one as well. Open up YouTube. And the Galaxy S9 got that one first. Alright, so looks like the Samsung Galaxy S9 opened most of the apps faster than the iPhone X. Let's go ahead for a second round and see what happens now. About the same time there. The iPhone X is ahead on that one. Let's go ahead to Asphalt 8. and the iPhone won that one. Temple and 2. So the iPhone 10 is ahead in this round. Subway Surf. iPhone 10 is winning this time around. So, very close there. I think the iPhone 10 opened it up first. Galaxy S9 on that one. The S9. The S9. The iPhone. The iPhone. So here we have it. The iPhone X won round 2, but remember that the Galaxy S9 did win round 1. So both very fast phones. I would have to give them a tie. Now let's go ahead and run a Geekbench 4 test so we can test these CPU scores on each device. Okay, so the Galaxy S9 here finally finishing up the Geekbench 4 test. The iPhone 10 finished it first. And what a crazy difference here in scores. Look at the iPhone X scores versus the Galaxy S9 scores. The Galaxy S9 got really low scores. I'm very surprised. I'm not sure why this bench test scores it so low. But the iPhone 10 scored almost 4 times higher in the single core score and about almost 3,000 points higher in the multi-core score. Okay, so here's just showing some more information about the CPU and the memory. Keep in mind the S9 had 4 gigabytes of memory, so it should store a little bit more open apps than the iPhone 10. But the difference is not much because the iPhone 10 has 3 gigabytes compared to the Galaxy S9's 4 gigabytes. But the iPhone 10's A11 Bionic chip managed to handle it even with a little bit less memory than the S9. So both phones do a very good job, and I would have to give them both a tie since they pretty much both open apps right about the same speed, and the Galaxy S9 won round 1 and the iPhone 10 won round 2. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And as always, I will see you around in the next video. Peace. Ciao!